Hey guys, what's up? This is Ananya here, and in today's video we are going to take a look at the all new GANS Cube. Going through the basic specs, the cube comes in a size of 56 by 56 millimeters. It weighs 81 grams and it comes in two variants, being the standard and the enhanced one. The standard one has a price tag of 21.99 USD or 1899 rupees, and the enhanced one has a price tag of 31.99 USD or 2599 rupees. Both of them have the same features, but the enhanced version has extra center to corner magnets which provide a little bit more stability to the puzzle overall. Before going further into the cube, I would like to mention that it has the same honeycomb piece design which is the hallmark of GAN puzzles now. It is the first cube ever to have the adjustable tensions and spring compression settings, which is pretty much identical to the past few releases of GAN. Overall, I think it will add a lot of customizable options to the cube and will be liked among top solvers. This cube also has core to corner magnets, which makes the turning of the cube quite stable and helps while I am trying to solve with high TPS. Inside of the box there is a plastic case the cube comes in and an accessories box. Inside of the accessories box there is a GAN bag, the tensioning tool and some extra dark blue GS nuts the cube comes with, and some pamphlets. Talking about the turning of the cube, out of the box the cube was pretty quick and had a squishy and plush feeling. It was really smooth and soft, pretty much like any GAN cube nowadays like the 11M Pro or the GAN Para. The magnets were of really good strength in my opinion. The corner cutting was fantastic too. Based on this review, would I recommend this to you? Well, if you are really into cube or GAN for that matter, I would totally recommend you to get this cube. This cube is pretty much perfect for me and it might be for you as well, given the wide range of customizations it offers. The only downside of the puzzle for me is its heftier price. So yeah, that's pretty much of the review from my side. Previously, as I said, I am not that good of a Para solver. Yes, I am not good at cube either. So we have got Divij Yadav, one of the fastest cubers in India, who will be reviewing the GANS cube for you guys.
Hey everyone, so I'll get straight to the point. The GANS cube is the best cube currently available in the market. It is better than the Wingy or the Ion, and it has some flaws, like it could be a little bit too fast sometimes if you don't set it up properly, and it is a little bit too slippery, which could lead to cube drops, which are really annoying if you see first cube, because the way it turns. Except that there isn't any major flaw with the cube and it is really good. It has some really cool customization features like the spring compression and the tensioning system, which you can do it by hand, and a core magnet positioning system for the enhanced version. So I'll definitely recommend this cube to anyone who wants to take cube seriously from now on. But if you are a beginner or want to start cube, I'll recommend the Wingy because it is much cheaper and it performs really good. So that sums up my thoughts on the GANS cube, and thanks to Ananya for having me on.
A huge thanks to Divij for sending his video for the review. Do check his channel out. He has some pretty underrated content. And that's pretty much it for this video guys. We'll meet you in the next one. Till then, goodbye.